I died too. Sweet. Okay. So hi guys, me and my friend died right there, but basically we're playing a new game, which my friend Adam found out, and here's him with his buzzer.
Hi.
Yeah. So we're just playing and trying to avoid this guy with a baseball bat trying to kill us. So yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna choose.
Let's do Earth. We're gonna do Earth. Yeah. On Earth.
Probably. I think Earth is probably really cool. You could do probably like earthquakes and like summon Earth stuff.
That'd be cool.
I'm just gonna go like, what's this, fairy, magic? I don't know.
A cat with this guy.
Okay, I'm in the spirit.
Wait, by the first. No. What is the challenge, Rico?
Challenge is first to get all weapons, first floor.
Alright.
Because I'm just feeling that all of our weapons is gonna be awesome. I mean, fairy and earth gods is gonna be awesome. I mean, never played this game, but just the sound of that is like, blah. So, whoa. Time really flies. Already a minute and half in the video now. Time really flies. Actually, I'm gonna set an alarm so I know when the video is gonna be over. Wait a second. I'm getting my alarm. I'll set a.
Yeah, get a dropper. Let's get another dropper.
Okay.
Yeah. We're just getting our droppers right now, just earning them money.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Laser doors, walls, conveyors. Okay.
Buy a conveyor. Yeah, I'm gonna conveyor.
I'm getting a cleaner. A cleaner? Are these things dirty? Okay, probably just like an upgrader. Just like a quarter version of upgrader. But it'd be cool if it's actually dirty. Is it actually dirty?
Can't find it.
Okay. I don't know if it's actually dirty, but if you're watching this right now, go to the comments right now and say it's dirty, hashtag it's dirty, or hashtag it's not, because I cannot like look properly. You probably can. You can just probably like pause the video and look at it. And by the way, I got the RB Battle Sword. I got RB Battle Sword. I mean, on my other account. I don't have it right now. I already have the backpack. So, oh yeah, 2.8K. Do you buy anything?
Yeah.
Do you guys have the weapon bat? I don't see any weapon bat.
Yeah. We don't have the weapons. No. Yeah. Where are you?
I literally hear a sword.
Right there. We see you.
I literally. Oh, maybe you need to buy this conveyor. Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't get.
Get out of here! Get out of here!
You do know that I'm faster than you, right? I have more strategically approach. You will never catch me. Even if,
I'm gonna get my money.
Yeah, you should.
Oh my god!
This is what you get for trying to kill me.
One shot.
This is what you get for trying to kill me.
Okay, I have tons of money.
I don't know. I don't get how to
Can't afford anything. This is so expensive.
Oh my god, there's so many cool things. I see some places like jumping. Okay. Oh my god, he has a hammer. Okay. I'm going to your base. Just to see, check you out. I have no weapons. I have nothing. Just like over here, check you out. Because I wanted to see how you get it. Do you need the lasers? The wall?
No, we didn't buy lasers. No way. Yeah. We didn't buy the lasers.
I literally see the lasers.
We didn't buy it though.
I see it. I literally see the green and red lasers. I know you're gonna do that. Okay, I just want to get home. Technically, I literally don't want to mess with you.
No. By the conveyor, what are you doing? Nah, walls make conveyors. Walls make nothing. Buy carpet. Bye.
What do you mean walls make conveyors? Where's the weapon pad? I don't get it.
We're just messing around.
Where's the weapon pad? I don't get this. If I buy this, will it give you a weapon pad? I don't get this.
Yeah.
Do you need to buy a carpet? Probably. Oh.
Genius.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Well, Adam just got his star. I don't know. 1,500.
And hey, I got first 2-letter gun.
But you got this offers
I got
for.
both of them.
Okay, then Adam won the first challenge. Then now the challenge would be first.
Get that sword out. Get that sword out.
Okay, first let me get the weapon. Okay, the challenge would be first to the challenge would be first to kill each other.
Oh, okay.
But first let me get the
ready.
weapons.
We'll get ready.
Okay, but don't come here yet, or else I'll be cheating. Okay. Okay, ready up. Ready up, everything? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
we're
both
ready.
stay at your door. Stay right behind your door until I say go. 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here we go. Okay. I see Adam. I see I'm just going to shoot him with mine.
Where are you?
Well,
Oh!
you got a one-shot weapon? Okay, first we get 5 kills. 5 kills. 5 kills.
Bro, that crossbow is so good.
Oh my god. Okay, gotta say that's pretty decent.
Let's kill you one shot.
I bet mine killed Bobby. Mine doesn't even have that much range. Mine's like, yeah, mine sucks. I thought fairy would be nice. Are you summoning tornadoes? Did that even do anything?
Oh!
That doesn't even do any damage. It just freezes you. That doesn't even do that much damage. Okay.
Oh my god! Did he kill you?
No, I'm frozen though.
Oh! Kill him!
Okay. Come on. Come here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 1v1.
1-1.
1-1. Okay. Okay, well my weapon sucks. It just freezes you. I mean, you can just escape after you're frozen. It doesn't have that much range too. You probably have an advantage. You got like a one-shot kill weapon. Okay, I'll just like hide right here behind the thing. Okay. Oh no. Let's go and go crisscross. I see an arrow pointing at my back. Why am I using this? I'm gonna use this one.
Oh my god! My sword sucks, bro.
Mine. No, your sword's the same as mine. Instantly kills people, right?
No. My bow kills instantly.
So use your bow. Why do you use your hammer then? So what does your hammer do then?
It's actually a sword.
Yeah, but I mean, like, what does your sword do then?
It kills people one shot.
Then why do you say that doesn't? I don't get you.
Oh my god, there's this guy with...
Okay, only kills from the other players will get register.
Okay, Adam, get the second floor.
Wait, is it 2v1 right now?
Yeah.
Okay, then I still haven't over. It's first to get 5 kills. I mean, most kills out of 5, I mean. Come on, you cannot do anything or buy anything while you do this. Just, come on, charge. Why won't you respawn?
Sorry, Rico. I kinda died.
Yes, but you can
Why
only...
did you do that? Why did you run in someone else's door?
Yeah, the only dice down from the other player counts. I told you that. Come out, you camper. What are you doing?
Hey, we're just doing something.
No,
Nothing.
this is a challenge, you know. Okay, if you don't come out in 10 seconds, you automatically lose as a challenge. 10,
Wait.
9,
Wait,
8, 7, 6.
I don't have
5.
a weapon.
Okay, get it real quick. But you cannot get any weapon from like the second floor.
Okay, yeah. We got it. We got our weapon.
Is that the second floor weapon?
No, it's not.
I literally see the weapon standing on your...
Anyway, let's fight.
You do know I can freeze you and then kill you with the hammer, right? You can't chase me. Do so. Your avatar's also way too heavy to actually get me.
Woo, 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 woo. Oh my god! Get out! You're dead, me.
What?
You're so dead.
What? You're not even getting me.
Oh my god! Someone else kills.
I froze you. No, I killed you.
No,
Somebody,
there's another guy.
no, somebody hit you once, and I finished you off with my laser
You
sword.
didn't hit me at all.
Yes, you were frozen. I literally saw you.
No, that was another guy with another hammer.
That's me. I
No,
shot you with the
that
freeze gun.
doesn't count.
Yes, that counts. I
That
shot you with the freeze gun. So okay, so if you
might be someone else.
no, that's me. I'm the only one with the freeze gun, you know. Come on. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Stop killing me! There's some other guy.
Yes, but it doesn't count. Oh my god.
Oh my! I got killed by this
Yeah,
guy.
that doesn't count. That doesn't count. I saw it. I didn't kill you.
They had a second floor
I
weapon.
can't move.
We're done. We're getting these good weapons.
No, idiot. Okay, you lose it. You lose the first one. You lose the
Yeah.
first challenge.
Okay, get the second floor weapon.
Okay.
You do it.
So right now it's
Here.
so right now we're tying the challenges.
Woo! We have this really big gun.
Okay, first person who gets the third floor wins.
I already have this. Oh, third.
Yes. Third floor. Oh, just stairs. I don't see any stairs. Do I just like fly up?
Yeah, I don't see either. What's that?
What do you mean? I literally saw you go upstairs. Oh, you have to buy lights first? That's pretty bad.
Yeah, that's what I did
You're
first.
such a liar. You're like... I mean, you know I have eyes right now. I'm literally looking at your base right now, too.
I got that guy.
You got that guy.
Oh my god, he's shooting.
Oh my god, you're shooting. Maybe this gun will be better. I got like a new weapon in the second floor, and maybe this will be better. I mean, it's also really slow, so.
Oh my god!
What? That instantly kills you. I already shot you 2 times. You haven't died. I shot you 3 times now. Now you're dead.
That wasn't good. My arm.
How is that good? It travels so slow and doesn't.
No, but my gun is terrible.
Why? Literally.
My weapons are horrible.
Why? And it can literally kill me 1 shot.
Well, if I like both.
Yeah, then use your sword. That's what the swords are for.
Yeah.
Why are you trying to use a ranged weapon? Why you have a...
droppers? I can't afford them.
Open the door. Choose. Choose. I'm not like you who just like goes into.
Go in.
Yeah, open the door.
I opened it.
No, you didn't. I can see the red
It's
laser.
green.
Yeah, idiot. I'm not fooled. Fooled. Even if you try to click it down quick, it's just like no chance you can actually get it. I mean, yeah. Or you try to do something weird.
Yeah, you can't escape.
True.
That's my weapon.
Okay, I won't let you get any weapons now.
Yeah, I can kill you easy.
Sure.
If you have a flying thing that you can fly, then I will let you.
Fairies are supposed to fly. What do you mean if I get fair?
How much money do you have?
I have 50K.
50?
Yes.
You probably saved up a lot.
Yeah, I didn't buy anything cool.